We counter the materialism with light. And just as our religion is a religion of love, it's a religion of light. The Quran is full with nur. The Prophet talks about light, light, light. And he taught us to pray for light. Allahumma ij'al fi qalbi nura. Ya Allah, Almighty God, put light in my heart. Wa ala lisani nura. Light on my tongue. Wa fi basari nura. Light in my vision. Wa fi sam'i nura. And light in my hearing. Wa an yamini nura. Light to my right. An shamali nura. An yasari nura. Light to my left. Baina yadayya nura, light before me. Wamin khalfi nura, light behind me. Wamin fawqi nura, light above me. Wamin tahti nura, light beneath me. Make me a creature of light. What light? The light of truth. The light of truth. The light of guidance. The light of moral integrity. And the light of the Spirit. May I have a spiritual light that illuminates my being and balances out the materialism that informs the very zeitgeist that surrounds us. This is how we restore the balance. And when we are enlightened human beings and we come together and we form an enlightened community and we join with other enlightened communities, we will bring more light into this increasingly dark world.
Goodness, good service.